This video is step-by-step instructions for creating a classroom in stepic.org. So first thing we need to do is go to stepic.org. Now you may want to make sure that English is selected as your language, or whatever language you prefer, to be able to do that. Now with Stepic, it's a little bit different. We need to create a course, and then we need to create a classroom. And so let's log in, and you can either register and setting up a new account, or you can authenticate using a variety of platforms. And now once we're in and we're logged in, then we can create a course. And so we can say usability course or computer science 1, or whatever it is, the course that we're trying to create. We click on create the course. Now notice we've created a course but not a classroom. It's just how Stepic organizes things. So once we've set that up, then we come to menu, and then we create the class to be able to do that. And then so you could name this Computer Science 1 or whatever it is and have a description. You click on create and we're good to go. Check out my other videos about how to create assignments in Stepic.